I'm Dr. Thad Dean with AOA Orthopedic Specialists in Mansfield and Midlothian. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about revision joint replacement surgery. Joint replacements are one of the most commonly performed operations in the United States today and are very successful. However, with the increase in life expectancy and folks living and using their joints longer over time, these joints do sometimes wear out. At this point, we sometimes need to proceed with revision joint replacement surgery. Revision joint replacement surgery is a complex specialty that I perform and is specific to each individual. There are many reasons for the implants to wear out over time, and these can be anything from infection, wear and tear, fracture, or loosening. All of these things are things that can be fixed with a revision hip or knee arthroplasty. If you have problems with a joint replacement or are having difficulty with your current arthroplasty, please contact us at AOA Orthopedic Specialists in Mansfield and Midlothian.